Okay, so it's at the top of the meniscus. Leave the bottom valve open and push the... Whoa! Okay,
Wow.
wait for it to stop bouncing. Okay, that's good. So put your finger on the meniscus so we can see it in the camera. There you go. So you dropped about 3 inches, the same that we dropped on the port
fine.
side.
Is that normal?
Yeah, the gauge, the sight tube is only accurate when you open it.
Oh, okay.
Now,
So
the reason-
it doesn't run consistently. Okay.
Well, here's the fact. Go ahead and move the tape to the top of the meniscus. And you may have noticed that's a rubber tube.
Yeah.
So if it's a rubber tube or a glass tube, regardless of that, if there's an engine room fire, that tube will break or melt.
And then,
And then all that fuel in that
Oh
fuel
my
tank will
God.
drain and feed the fire.
Yeah.
so we should shut this down.
Always shut that.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, or the next morning, check your fuel level, just the way you just did it right now.
Right. You see where it. Yeah.
See where you're at. And then log it in your book. And if you use a yardstick or a ruler, then you can just measure the inches of fuel that's been consumed. And if you really, really, really want to be a number cruncher, you can put a ruler on the tank and measure the square footage of the tank, if you really have that much time, and figure out 1 inch equals X amount of gallons.